Hello everyone, welcome to Techavro. Today in this video I'm gonna show you a simple step to hide your Facebook friend list from others. Before starting the video, please subscribe to Techavro. So let's get started. For this, you have to open your Facebook. Now go to your menu and press on Settings and Privacy. Click on Settings. Now scroll down. Here you can see the option of how people find and contact you. Press on this. Now you can see here who can see your friend list. Click on this. If you want to hide your Facebook friend list from others, you have to press here Only Me option. Then press on Save. That's it. So this is the simple step to hide your Facebook friend list from others. So guys, that's it. You can do this. I think this video is very helpful to you. If it was, then give a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button. And thanks for watching.